we have Mr. Deepayan Das, Managing Director of Mahr Technologies with us. Can you say a little about the kind of solutions you are displaying here at AMTEX?
Yeah, here if you see, we have tried to display the new solutions that we have introduced in the Indian market over the last 1 year. So starting from our robot-assisted cylinder bore roughness measurement solution, which you can see there. New range of setting bench which we have introduced, to the surface and contour measurement machine, which is capable of doing roughness and contour measurement in a single press, and the CNC dial calibrator. We have a host of new technologies which have been displayed. Apart from this, we are also introducing the MarTools line of product, which is our extension of the precision gauge line into the day-to-day use that can be done by customers in the workshop.
How was your revenue mix sector-wise for the last financial year?
Last financial year, we had a very healthy double-digit growth. Since the audited report is not out, I will not be able to give you the exact number, but we can say that we grew more than 20%. The exact number is still to be declared after the audit results. And as far as the product mix from various segments are concerned, our traditional business always has been automotive, but now we have been able to venture into other areas apart from automotive also. So aerospace, defense, medical, electronics are some of the other areas where we have been able to expand quite strongly there.
Globally, Mahr is investing heavily in customized automated measuring solution. How do you see this is relevant for Indian market?
See, as the Indian manufacturing ecosystem plugs itself into the global manufacturing value chain, the demand for fast, reliable and automated inspection is becoming a reality. Earlier, where we had customers who would actually be very reluctant to look into this so-called state-of-art solution, today we have customers who are coming to us and demanding those kind of applications. So from that point of view, I see a lot of solutions which Mahr has customized to the customer's requirement, finding a lot of relevance in India. This is a business line, if I tell you that about 3 to 4 years back, this business line in India was virtually zero. And now we have seen the demand go to that extent where we had to actually put a dedicated team for this in India. That can actually tell you how much the demand for this kind of systems are increasing.
One of the aspects that you are committed to provide zero defect manufacturing for the industry. How are your solutions enabled to do that?
First of all, when we look into the zero defect manufacturing in the industry, we tackle it on two areas. Area number one is the hardware, which is basically the instruments that you are using to capture the data. We start from our basic MarCal line of products as well as MarTool line of products, which gives the basic instruments which are used by customers in day-to-day, you can say, quality inspection. But apart from this, we also lay a lot of stress on the software aspect. Now, when we talk about the software aspect, this actually means how the collected data is getting transferred electronically to the analysis software and how well your people are actually trained to collect that data. On this aspect, our instruments which support IoT, which supports Industry 4.0, play a very crucial role. Our user-friendly MarWin software, it enables error-free and very easy recording of the data. So these are the areas where we are actually supporting our customers right from the very basic level to the very advanced level in eliminating defect on the shop floor.
From zero defect manufacturing, let's move into semiconductors. India is very ambitious about our semiconductor future. How you see it as a prospect for your business?
Mahr has a complete line of product which is called the MarSurf 3D, wherein we have a huge number of fantastic solutions for the semiconductor industry. Be it packaging, be it fab, or be it testing. Mahr has the product which can support the industry. And today, we are very actively bringing this product portfolio, heavily supported by our other subsidiaries. We are an active member of the Indian Electronic and Semiconductor Manufacturers Association. And through that forum also, we are taking a lot of steps to educate our customers about what Mahr can offer. We are getting our engineers trained in this aspect. We are working with dedicated channel partners to have expertise in this particular area. So Mahr is doing a lot to support the semiconductor infrastructure of the country.
From semiconductors, the another segment what we are very optimistic is aerospace and defense. And aerospace and defense eagerly looking forward for micron tolerance solutions. How do you see this segment where Mahr can contribute?
When you talk about aerospace and defense, and given the fact what you rightly said that they have extremely tight tolerances, we can say that this is the home ground of Mahr, because we are known for instruments which are capable of measuring extremely tight tolerances and under extremely challenging environment. So it's not a surprise that after automotive today, aerospace and defense happens to be our next biggest contributor to the revenue that Mahr India is operating. Almost all our products find a resonance in the aerospace and defense industry, and we are working very closely with all the leading manufacturers in that area.
Can you also share the kind of preparations what you have for the future? Any immediate expansion plans or further investments or new launches?
New launches as a part of the global ecosystem of Mahr product launches that we always do. Today, all the products which Mahr is selling globally are available in India. Our focus right now is to expand our team in India. So we are adding a lot of engineers in India. We are strengthening our application capability. Last year, we introduced the Mahr Technical Help Desk to support our customers in service-related queries and application-related queries. That will be strengthened further. We recently introduced an automated system to support the services to our customers in India. So our objective now is to strengthen the team in India, to expand the team in India, to support our customers.
From globally, there is a supply chain challenge for most of the businesses.
See, our products mainly come from our principals in Germany. So as far as that is concerned, we try to absorb the shocks of the supply chain by stocking products locally, so that when customers demand the product, the customers get the product. We are always working very closely with our logistics team to ensure that there is a smooth flow of materials. And I'm sure the logistics team in Germany is also working and analyzing the challenges which are coming with respect to rare earth minerals and something like that.
Thank you so much for interacting with us.